Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Butterscotch Blondies. They're even served with vanilla ice cream and a warm butterscotch sauce. They are out of this world, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the softened butter, brown sugar, and vanilla extract, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for 2 minutes. Then add in the egg yolk, and beat them in for a minute until they're well combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and butterscotch chips, and mix them in by hand until they're just combined. It is a thick batter. It's like the consistency of cookie dough. Then grease an 8 or 9 inch square baking pan with nonstick cooking spray, and pour the batter into the pan and press it in until it fits the pan. Then add some additional butterscotch chips to the top, and bake it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While it's baking, you can make the butterscotch sauce. In a small saucepan, add the brown sugar, heavy cream, and butter, and I've just cut it up so it melts faster. And place the saucepan over a medium heat and heat it until it comes to a simmer. Don't bring it to a boil. And once it's simmering, turn the heat down to medium-low and simmer it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Then remove it from the heat and add in the salt and vanilla extract, and mix them in until they're combined, and set it aside and let it cool. And once the blondies are ready, remove them from the oven and let them cool for about 15 minutes. And they're best served while they're still warm. Then add a scoop of ice cream and drizzle it with the warm butterscotch sauce. And that's how to make Butterscotch Blondies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.